Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Rocket Money, a popular app that helps you save money on your monthly bills. I've been using Rocket Money for a while now, and I've found it to be a really helpful tool. But before I get into the details of Rocket Money, I want to ask you a question. Is Rocket Money free to cancel a subscription? I know that this is a question that a lot of people are wondering about, and I'm here to answer it for you. The answer is yes. Rocket Money is free to cancel a subscription. If you're not happy with Rocket Money, you can cancel your subscription at any time. There are no cancellation fees or hidden charges. Here's how to cancel your Rocket Money subscription. Go to the Rocket Money website or app. Click on the Settings tab. Select Subscription. Click on the Cancel Subscription button. Confirm your cancellation. Once you've canceled your subscription, you will no longer be charged for Rocket Money. In addition to being free to cancel, Rocket Money also offers a free trial. You can try Rocket Money for free for 30 days. If you're not happy with it, you can cancel your subscription before the end of the trial period and you won't be charged anything. So, is Rocket Money worth it? I think Rocket Money is a great value for the price. It's a powerful tool that can help you save money on your monthly bills. If you're looking for a way to save money, I highly recommend giving Rocket Money a try. Here are some of the benefits of using Rocket Money. Rocket Money can help you find and cancel unused subscriptions. Rocket Money can help you negotiate lower rates on your bills. Rocket Money can help you find better deals on insurance, internet, and other services. Rocket Money can help you track your spending and set financial goals. Rocket Money is a great tool for anyone who wants to save money. If you're looking for a way to save money on your monthly bills, I highly recommend giving Rocket Money a try. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions about Rocket Money, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, you can learn more about Rocket Money at https://app.rocketmoney.com. You can download the Rocket Money app from the App Store or Google Play. You can follow Rocket Money on social media. https://twitter.com/rocketmoniap?lang=n. You can subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you're interested in learning more about Rocket Money, please click on the link below to sign up for a free trial. Thanks for watching. I hope this script is helpful.